Hello guys, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change a text into a rainbow color in your Instagram story. This might be very useful and it is also interesting and also very easy. You can also try this when you're going to upload your next Instagram story if you haven't tried it yet. Just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanue. My name is Abhimanue. Just open the Instagram story option, and if you want to add any image into your Instagram story you can add, or else you can type in a blank space like this. So if you're not comfortable with this color you can also change the color, okay, but first you have to type the text. As of now I'm typing my name, okay. I have written my name. I'm going to change the color, okay, and next thing is I'm going to change the background. Just go to this icon, click it, long press on the background, it will change the color. Okay, fine, press done. And the next step is you have to change the color into a rainbow color, right? You have to do is just highlight this text, and underneath that text you can see so many colors, right? Just long press on it, then you can see a box of colors, and if you want to change it to a rainbow color you have to do like this. Just watch how I am doing it, okay. Just move the colors and also just move the text which is highlighted like this. See, this is a better way to change a text into a rainbow color. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will get notification from all my videos and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I will see you in the next video.